sorry, driver. It took so long for some of us to get off the ship. We didn't know there was a longer line if you used a birth certificate instead of a passport.
Did you check your flight status? When it rains like this, Fort Lauderdale Airport closes due to flooding.
Oh my god, really? Honey, can you check online, please?
Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't matter. We have to, like, get to the airport as soon as possible. Oh, we're running late.
We'll be there in 30 minutes, if there are no accidents.
Thank you, driver.